Recently I've been talking to a lot of my customers they've been working on their online course for a very long time and they're stuck. They just can't get their site working. You spend hours and hours using time that should have been spent on other tasks, things that are higher priority, and you just can't get it finished. The user experience is poor. It's buggy in places. I mean, it's not good enough for you to launch it. It's not going to represent you well if you did launch it. It makes your business and your brand look unprofessional. You have incredible course content that you really know people are going to value, but this site and what you've been able to come up with on your own, it's just not good enough. It doesn't work. And I'm sure you're feeling, really ashamed and stupid as I talk to people who are in this situation. They see other business owners launching their online courses, and you're thinking, man, why can't I get this done? You're dreading having to tell your customers and maybe a business partner that, they've been waiting a while and you've been giving them, target launch dates and you're missing them, and you just don't see that you're able to get this thing done on a time frame that you thought you could. And again, it's embarrassing because you've told people, hey, it's going to be done by the end of the month, and months, weeks are going by. And then to make things worse, you've been doing all this technical work at the expense of maybe sales, customer service work, all the things you need to be doing to run your business. And so you're falling behind, and you just don't feel like you're any closer to launching this than when you started. Now, what the documentation says and what you've read online and what you're hearing in the forums is all telling you, hey, this is all something that the typical business owner can do on their own. And what I've come to believe is, with the right guidance, with someone who's done this before, you can get what you've taken so far, not only get it done, get it polished up and launch an elegant and very professional version of your online course in a very short period of time, and more importantly, on a predictable time frame. It's just a matter of getting that knowledge injection from the outside that gets you past probably, one, two, or three snags that are keeping your site from being everything it needs to be. As a lot of anybody that's a member of this group, we offer a free call with me. I go over where you're at, we try to give you the advice, set you straight so that you can get done. I'm more than happy to offer that call to anybody that asks for it. It's not a sales call. You don't have to worry about me trying to give you a hard close or anything. But if you're in this sort of situation, again, you're stuck. You've spent hours and hours and hours working on this. Take me up on this offer. I think it'd be a great next step for you.